made it to the spot, the meetup spot, the guy or girl, not sure who I'm gonna meet. Guess what? Just got the camera. Oh, I got a new favorite YouTuber. It's kind of weird to say I got a favorite YouTuber as a YouTuber. That's at least an upcoming YouTuber. But his name is Daniel Dallin. Dude's sick. I love his content.
For people won't think we start. Yeah, let's get in the car and get back to work.
Hit the country for a drive just to clear my mind.
While I'm driving back, tell you guys how I even came across this camera. I came across this camera from Facebook Marketplace, right? So I've been searching for like all week on Facebook Marketplace, making bargains with people on Facebook Marketplace, trying to ball them down. Like, I just need the body of the camera, whatever. I just need this, I need that. Can you lower the price on this? And it's crazy. Today, when I go on Facebook Marketplace, this one shows up. It was supposed to be only the body, but he gave me everything included, which comes with the 18 or 45 millimeter lens, which comes with the battery, which comes with the lens cover and all that good stuff, right? All of that stuff, he threw it in for me. I'm like, cool, for a great price, right? For a great freaking price. Better than the prices that everybody else was trying to give it to me. I got the best price. So sometimes, when God's stopping things from happening, when he's stopping things from happening,
turn left.
Sometimes it's because he's allowing something better to happen.
I threw my city in motion, causing a commotion. Better get somebody or somebody better know some. I knew that I was chosen the day that I was placed here. I've been on the road like, where you going? I can stay there.
About to make some coffee, man. Before we jump on the call with the VIP, got a new Keurig machine too, and it's lit. I be feeling tired all day. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think on average now, for like the last 2 weeks, I've been drinking 3 cups of coffee all day. I feel like I'm just rotating from one cup of coffee to the next cup of coffee to the next cup of coffee. I drink a lot of coffee now. Seeing that I'm trying my hardest to put out content every day and be consistent with it, it requires a different level of effort. Before, when I was just posting whenever I wanted to, all willy-nilly, I could do whatever I want to and I would have energy. I could even take a nap in the middle of the day. Now that I'm trying to post content every day, there's no naps. There's no breaks. I'm recording. If I'm not recording, I'm editing. And editing is harder than recording. Because recording, I just press a button and I start giving value. That's it. But then the editing is like deciphering the value and putting it together and making it into a cohesive body of art that you would like to consume. Meanwhile, I'm doing all of that stuff. I'm recording myself workout. I'm recording myself on the VIP call. I'm recording content afterwards. I'm recording. And then once I'm done recording, I go to work. Usually at work, whenever I'm done doing work, I edit. I edit and then I'm working. So I'm just working all day. I'm not gonna lie to you. And it came to a realization to me yesterday that I actually prayed for times like this. I prayed for the time that I would not be free to just do whatever. Because there was a point when I was a full-time trader, I just had a whole bunch of time on my hands, right? It wasn't necessarily a good thing. Yes, having your time is good, but when you're just squandering it away, just not doing anything productive, nothing really at all, then it's just a waste of time. I had so much time. There was times that I was just bored doing nothing. Like, I always had crazy work ethic. It was just a period of time where things weren't aligned for me and I didn't work as hard as I could have. But now it's time to jump on a call with the VIP.
everything's still cool. Being me, I can't lose. I know you're getting confused.
I was saying that was when I was on TraderVate.
Yeah, comment. Yeah, just to buy that one. Because that's going to allow you to trade gold, US 30, NAS 100, all that.
I can see you wanna vibe with me. Just say you wanna vibe with me. Feeling like I won a lottery. You getting a lot of me. Probably why you calling me. Is that why you calling?
We live with the VIP. Everybody active. Powell speaking today, so you already see how slow the charts is moving. Trade idea I would have taken if Powell is not speaking today. My boy Dre just got TP1 to get hit on the trade. So I'm officially done trading with the VIP. You know, even though I didn't take any trades today, we just still show up and continue to do the consistent work that I always do every day. Like, it doesn't matter that I'm not trading. It doesn't matter that I'm not going to take a trade. I just consistently show up because that's what it takes. It takes you to just consistently be doing what you're supposed to do, even when you don't want to do it, even if you know you're not going to do it. Like, just show up. Just show up. And today is just one of those days I might not take a trade just because I know Powell is speaking today. And I just got off the call with the VIP. It was a nice call. Dre did catch a good trade, but it didn't result in anything because it hit his TP1, then took him out break even. I think he was the only one that took a trade. I didn't see much other people take other trades. No, there were some other people. Some people took gold trades, gold sells. But for the most part, nobody really did take a trade today, which is okay. You know, Powell wait till later to take a trade just because you know Powell is speaking, which would make sense to me, at least, just to wait. But for right now, no trades. We just wait. As we wait, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll even. No, I won't. I'll be at work at 3 o'clock though. I'm not even gonna show y'all what it looks like when Powell speaks. We show up to work every single day and do the work, put the work in. You know, we be consistent, and you know, VIP. We got to keep running it, right? If I don't show up and Dre don't show up, it just doesn't happen. So we just got to keep showing up, even if we don't decide to take a trade. We just got to keep showing up because this is the business that we have, right? This is the business that we're trying to run. This is the business that we're trying to grow. We're trying to facilitate a community of like-minded individuals. Like, for example, it wasn't T Trades. It was Heen. Heen asked me about TradeOvate, how to access TradeOvate and use it on TradingView. And first he went to Dre with the matter first, and Dre didn't know the answer, so he came to me. Dre recommended him to come to me. And honestly, I thought I knew the answer, but I didn't know the answer. So I was like, I know someone else who'd help me do it from the group chat. I recommend him to Cortez. So it's like a link chain of people who are like-minded in the same niche that can help each other. So Dre didn't know the answer. He can refer me. If I don't know the answer, I can refer to someone who I do know. It's just like a network of people who can help each other get to their goals or get to whatever, answer problems, answer solutions. So it's a very resourceful group, which is the VIP. We help each other, trying to grow, trying to get to where you want to in life. And I love the VIP, honestly. VIP is my heart, man, for real. It's grown to something that I'm like, wow, we can really do something big. We can make a difference. We can make a positive impact on people. But without the idea, none really this be possible. The idea and the execution of the work, you know, just putting in the work through over time, we wouldn't have been able to put like-minded individuals together to have a community that can help each other foster growth and facilitate growth. We push each other like to just keep being great. And there's nothing really, you can't compare that. When you see someone, like you have friends that are achieving stuff and they're pushing you to do good and you're pushing them to do good and y'all helping each other level up, nothing better. Nothing better, honestly, because good people are hard to find. But when you do find them, it's the best feeling because now you get to see progress with people who want to progress with you. Right after I made that clip, I went back on the charts to see what was happening, and I found the trade setup that I like. Check it out. So, took this little buy right here. You know, it's not too much risk, but right now I'm like almost risk free. I'm probably risking like $20-$30, but almost, I think I took like $350 risk for about 500 profit. So that's like a 1 to 1.5. I said I wasn't gonna trade today, but cap, cap. It is what it is. I did catch a solid trade setup. I didn't expect to catch a solid trade setup, but I did. I did catch a solid trade setup. I'm gonna let it hit TP. Let's see. I already trailed my stops tight enough. I'm just really gonna walk away and do what the rest of my day has to do. I have to still create content, edit videos, get ready for work, go to work, etc., etc. So I'm not really tripping over this trade. If it works, if it doesn't work, it is what it is. I bought these beef jerkies, beef tender bites, whatever. My dog absolutely loves them. So I bought some before for myself, not that specific one, but something close to it. It's like beef sticks. And I gave him one. He turned into a crackhead, bro. He started jumping all over me. Since that day, I was like, so this is your treat. You love this. Cool. I'm going to buy it more often for you. And watch this. Look at him. Up. Look at him. Up. You want another one? Crackhead. I ain't playing no more games with outside, bro. It's brick. I ain't playing no more games with outside, bro. It's brick. As I was about to leave the house, a package came for your boy. My new wide angle lens for my new camera. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. The RF lens, 10 to 18 millimeter lens for this new camera that I got that I'm shooting from right now. About to bust this bad boy open and we're gonna see what it looks like. Yeah. Oh snap, look at that. The camera is at the same distance and you can see my whole arm. Ah. Oh yeah, look at that. I have the camera right in my face and it looks beautiful. Ah yeah, the content about to go crazy.
Scoop me duck, got one of my rooms all flooded with gold. I done bought 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I feel like this is like one of the only little breaks I get from just like shoving my head in work. But even while I'm on this walk with this dog, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes, all I'm thinking about is work. Isn't that weird? I mean, right now I'm so driven. I feel like I have like ultimate, not even motivation. I'm just driven just to keep going, just to get to it, get this money. And I feel like that's what's pushing me forward right now. Just the momentum of just continuously getting work done. And it really, if you don't know what momentum is the difference between motivation and action. Like you don't need no motivation to just keep going. Once you have that momentum, you've just been going, going. Once you have that momentum, that's all you need to keep fueling yourself. Whether you're motivated, inspired, whatever the case is, you're just gonna keep going because you're already on the road. It's like a rocket ship going into space. It doesn't stop in the middle of the atmosphere while it's breaking the atmospheric barrier to get to the moon. It just keeps going. And when it has that momentum of just a rocket propulsion, just to keep going up, although sometimes you might not feel like you're going up. Right now, I don't even feel like I've seen a difference. The only difference I've seen is probably in myself, where I'm more consistent, I'm more on time, I know how to manage my time better. But besides all of that, it's just pure momentum for myself. Just keep pushing forward. And honestly, I don't need no motivation to keep going. I just keep going. Back home, I just want to say thank you to everyone that made it this far in the video. I really do appreciate y'all. It's like family. Y'all like family to me now, because you know I'm sharing my life with you guys. Thank you for joining me on my journey, my trading journey, my personal development journey, my content journey. You could see like the cameras that I was using before, which is the M50, to now the R50. The camera quality is way better. Got some more supplies for it. You know, making upgrades, just upgrading my life in total and everything that I do. And just thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for stopping by. You know, it really does mean a lot to me, because I can see myself going a lot further, and I want to take you guys with me as I continue to progress along the journey of personal development, business development, content development, every type of development there's out there, from 9 to 5 to being a full-time trader again, and from living in New York to back to living in Florida. I'm going to take you guys through the whole journey, and I just hope that I inspire you, I motivate you, I give you the confidence that you need to chase your own goals, because I'm showing you, no matter how tired I am, no matter how hard it is, no matter how complicated life gets, no matter if I'm broke, no matter if I'm tired, it doesn't matter. In any situation, just keep pushing forward and just keep going. Just keep going. Like that's all you really can do in any moment. Just keep pushing forward and just keep going forward. But for now, I think that's it. I'm gonna end the video right here, because I'm about to do some work. So till next time, y'all. Peace.